Tonight, we taste the whole world. These are your lucky chopsticks, Kim.
No, I don't like new food. Look, a funny little dog.
Wow, Sunny eats everything fast.
Biscuit, you don't like it too? Come, let's try the food street. Be brave. One small taste, okay?
This ramen shop smells so good.
Sit down, everyone. Here we go.
Look at this big sushi plate.
Try one piece. Just for me?
It looks strange. I'm scared. Sunny wants it! Look, look!
Good. First, sniff it slowly. It smells a little nice.
But I still can't bite it. Look, Biscuit sniffed it too!
It's okay. Take your time.
I'm not ready yet. Sorry. That's okay, sweetie. Take your time, dear.
This is great.
Sunny, no, don't you dare.
Hey! Sunny took my sushi!
Look at his happy face.
Sunny is so silly! Okay, that was a little funny. See? Food can be fun.
Sunny took a big bite.
Maybe it was yummy?
There is no rush, sweet boy.
Warm noodle soup.
So good. Try some, Kim.
Slurpee noodles are the best!
Just the noodles. They are soft.
It looks soft and warm. Yes, lift it up slowly. It smells warm and nice. I'm sorry. Not yet. Biscuit says no too!
This is such a happy night.
Everyone is happy but me. I just can't do it. Here comes the noodle airplane! Open up! Here it comes! No, I can't! Okay, maybe next time.
Come here, my brave boy. One small taste when you're ready.
My lucky chopsticks.
This warms my heart.
You believe in me, Sunny? Maybe I can be brave.
Take all the time you need.
Maybe almost.
Let's find the next place.
Yay, adventure! I'm ready! Let's go!
I still didn't try anything.
Look! Pizza and pasta here!
Here we try something new.
Wow, look at that cheese.
Smell the warm, cheesy bread.
That smells really good.
I want to, but I'm scared. You can do it, Kim!
Why can't I just try?
Spaghetti is so much fun.
Chew it slowly. Taste it.
Like this? Chew, chew, chew?
Okay, just a tiny bit. Oh no! What was that? I was so close again.
Sunny got the cheese!
Brave is trying, not winning. Let's try one more place.
One more, then home soon.
Sounds good. Okay.
Maybe there. Maybe I'm ready. Thanks, Biscuit. Let's go.
Dumplings and rice, yum!
The table spins! So cool!
Look, soft little dumplings. Just for you, one little dumpling.
I can be brave. I can. Up it goes. Go on, Kim. You can. I can't. I just can't. Everyone is watching me.
Why is it so hard?
I'm ruining everything. I need to go away.
Kim, wait! Come back!
Kim!
I just want to hide. Maybe I'm just a baby. You stayed with me, Sunny. I'll just sit alone.
Where did our Kim go? Oh dear.
I'll go look.
I know just how he feels.
I let everybody down. Lucky chopsticks didn't help.
Kim, where are you, buddy?
Kim, where are you?
Don't tell them, Sunny.
I wish I was brave. I can't do it, Grandma.
One small bite with me.
With you, okay.
Soon I move far away.
Kim, come back to us, sweetheart.
We waited just for you!
We are all right here, buddy.
Just this one. We believe in you.
Okay, I can be brave.
Good. You are doing it.
Now, sniff it slowly.
Take one little bite.
Okay, I bit it!
Chew it nice and slow.
It tastes so good! More! I want to taste more!
Yay! Kim did it!
Yummy! I love new food!
I am so proud of you.
Here, let's all eat together.
Our brave boy ate it all.
New food is yummy now.
Sniff. SNIFF. Kim sniffs the food. Bite. BITE. Kim takes a big bite. Chew. CHEW. Chew it nice and slow. Swallow. SWALLOW. Now swallow it down. Taste. TASTE. It tastes so good.
Sniff, bite, chew, swallow, taste. Great job!
I will be far, but close.
I will miss Grandma's soup.
Next time, we find Grandma's soup.